Good morning, all. This is Unit 3 Factor Models and the second problem in two-factor model. So here you have the question. Based on two-factor model, consider the securities with the following characteristics. So you are given with the security A and security B. What are the particulars given are factor 1 sensitivity and factor 2 sensitivity is given for both the securities, and also non-factor risk is given. Weights are also given, that is proportion or the portion invested in these securities, in the two securities are given. So the SD of factor 1 and 2 are 20% and 50%, 15%. The factors having covariance. So if the covariance is specified, then you have to consider it. If it is not given, then you need not. So covariance is given, that is 225. So here the questions asked are, what are the SD of security A and B, and what is their covariance, and also what is the SD of portfolio, that is individual you have to find out, individual securities SD you have to find out, and as well as SD of portfolio you have to find out. So first one is, you have to find out the standard deviation of individual security. So here you have the formula. So just to substitute the values for A security and B security, you have do it separately. Individual security is asked no. For that particular purpose, you have to do it individually. So if you are doing it individually, if you are substituting the values, then you are going to get it as 64.81. Same way for B security, it is 30.23. Next, covariance. We have the formula here. Substitute the values in covariance of AB, that is the values you have to substitute. So if you are substituting the values, then the value answer you are going to get is 1936.5. Then standard deviation of portfolio. So standard deviation of portfolio is, here again you have the formula BP1 square into standard deviation F1 square plus BP2 square into standard deviation F2 square plus 2 BP1 BP2 into covariance of F1 F2 plus standard deviation EP square. So here we have to find out BP1 square because standard deviation F1 square factors, standard deviation of factors are given, but you have to calculate the sensitivity because the proportion is given. So proportion of the individual securities has to be considered. For that particular purpose, you have to find out the BP1 square and BP2 square. Okay, so proportions into that factor sensitivity of that particular security. So BA1 into XA, that is for A security, and B1 into XB, that is for B security. So if you are calculating this, you are going to get it as 1.21. So similar way, find out for sensitivity of second security, that is BA2 into XA plus B2 into XB the whole square, that is proportions portion invested into sensitivity of that two securities. So if you are substituting the values, then you are going to get it as 3.61. So here you have to find out the standard deviation or variance. So for finding the variance, you have to find out the non-factor variance as it is in the formula. You have to find out the non-factor variance. So first take the non-factor variance, which is in the next slide, which is in the next step. You take down that first and then write the variance formula. So for variance formula, you take down the variance formula and substitute the values. Then you are going to get as variance as 2247. So if you keep it under root, then you are going to get it as 47.40. This is standard deviation of the portfolio. So before calculating the standard deviation of portfolio, you have to find out the non-factor variance of a portfolio, that is standard deviation EP square. So formula is XA the whole square into standard deviation EA square plus XB the whole square into standard deviation EB square. So substitute the values here. You are going to get it as 10.25.